Here's something that might shock you: by the time this video ends, dozens of older adults will have suffered a life-altering fall, not because of clumsiness, but because their muscles simply gave out. And what's worse, this slow muscle breakdown starts as early as your 50s, and happens silently. Doctors now call it age-related muscle atrophy, a condition responsible for over 80% of mobility loss in seniors. No pain, no warning. Until one day, you can't stand up without pushing off with both arms, or you lose your balance reaching for a glass of water. But here's the good news. Recent studies from institutions like Stanford and the Mayo Clinic have uncovered specific foods that don't just slow down muscle loss, they actually trigger muscle regeneration, even in people over 70. And believe it or not, the most powerful food on this list isn't even a protein shake. It's a natural superfood that reversed years of muscle decline in clinical trials, without any medications. So if you or someone you love is over 60, keep watching. Because your next grocery trip could be the first step to rebuilding your strength and your independence. But before we jump in, tell us in the comments, where are you watching from today? We'd love to know. And if health topics like this matter to you, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more. Cottage cheese topping our list at number 10 is something simple, affordable, and surprisingly powerful: cottage cheese. Unlike regular cheese, cottage cheese is rich in casein protein, which digests slowly and feeds your muscles steadily overnight. This is vital, especially for seniors who tend to lose muscle while sleeping due to fasting. Just half a cup provides around 14 grams of complete protein, plus calcium, vitamin B12, and selenium, all critical for muscle maintenance. Pro tip: have a serving of cottage cheese about an hour before bed. It keeps your muscles fed through the night, and helps reduce overnight muscle wasting. Tuna coming in at number 9, tuna. Packed with lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, tuna is like rocket fuel for aging muscles. Omega-3s in tuna help your muscles respond better to the protein you eat. Think of it like turning up the volume on your body's ability to build strength. Studies show that seniors who ate tuna or other oily fish twice a week had better grip strength and slower muscle decline than those who didn't. Go for wild caught when possible, and keep it simple. Add tuna to a salad, sandwich, or even mix with avocado for a double muscle boost.